Let me paint a picture. It's Friday afternoon. You just got paid. You open your banking app, see that deposit hit, and for about 5 seconds you feel rich. Then the bills start auto-drafting. Rent, car payment, phone bill, streaming subscriptions you forgot you even had, groceries, gas, and suddenly that paycheck is basically gone. So you tell yourself, okay, next month I'll save more, but next month looks exactly the same. And then one day you check your savings account and realize you worked an entire year and barely moved forward financially. If that feels painfully familiar, yeah, that's literally most people. And today I'm going to show you the silent $12,000 mistake that 73% of Americans make every single year without even realizing it. And once you see it, you're never going to look at your money the same way again. Here's the thing. Most people think their financial problem is income. They say, if I just made more money, if I got that raise, if I switched jobs, then everything would be fine. But that's not actually true. According to Federal Reserve data, nearly 73% of Americans earning between $50,000 and $150,000 still struggle to save consistently. Let that sink in. These aren't minimum wage workers. These are middle-class professionals, engineers, teachers, nurses, salespeople, people making good money, and yet most of them end the year with almost nothing to show for it. So what's really happening? Here's what most people don't realize. The average American household leaks about $1,000 per month through unconscious spending. That's not rent. That's not utilities. That's not groceries. That's lifestyle creep, impulse purchases, subscriptions, convenient spending, upgraded everything, small treat-yourself moments, little expenses that don't feel dangerous. $1,000 per month times 12 months. That's $12,000 per year. That's the mistake. Not investing that $12,000, not saving that $12,000, not even noticing the $12,000 disappear. And 73% of people do this every year.